Good morning, student. And to teach you history and civics. And welcome to the online classes. And today we'll discuss about the decline of civilization. First, we'll discuss about art and craft. All the works of Harpan art, including figurines of clay and terracotta, stone and bronze sculptures, seals and beads, are product of skilled craftsmen. A piece of woven cotton was discovered from Mohenjo-daro and textile impression were found on several objects. This shows weaving was an important craft. The Harpan practiced boat making, seal making, and making terracotta articles were important crafts. So the subjects portrayed on the seals and terracotta figures include human beings, animals, and birds. The human figurines were shown wearing heavy ornaments and jewelry and elaborate headgear. Among the inanimate objects, the most common were terracotta models of bullock carts and plows. The goldsmith made jewelry of silver, gold, and precious. The Harpans also knew the art of bead making. Harpan produced their own characteristic pottery, which was made glossy of shining earthen vessels and pottery crafted on the potter's wheel were decorated with blank jars. The large jars with narrow necks and red pots with black decoration bear evidence of their artistic skill. The Harpan skilled sculptors. A large number of stone images have been found. Among these, the statue of bearded man found in Mohenjo-daro is well known. I showed this picture to you. This is bearded man, and this is dancing girl, and this is sculpture of cart. The bronze statue of dancing girl found at Mohenjo-daro is another masterpiece of art. Besides the dancing girls, a number of bronze figures of animals, buffalo, and some models of crafts have been unearthed. So terracotta figurines have been found in large numbers from the Harpan settlements. They were perhaps or called figures. A large number of male and female figurines have also been found. The sculpture in metal was done through the special lost wax process. In this process was with a coating of clay. Then the wax was melted by heat, and the hollow mold thus created was filled with molten metal, which dress. The Indus Valley man used to wear a dhoti, as is depicted on a shawls, an upper garment, as shown by the famous figure of the priest from Mohenjo-daro. Women wore a skirt and used a cloth to cover arms and shoulders. So the discovery of needles and buttons at Some sites show that at least some of the cloths were stitched. Then ornaments. Ornaments were worn by both man and woman. Some of the common ornaments were necklaces, finger rings, bangles, armlets, anklets, nose rings, fan-shaped headdress, and earrings. They were made of gold, silver, precious stones, and ivory. Then, toys and amusements. People played games and had many other forms of entertainment. They played dice and went on hunting and fishing expeditions. Their main musical instruments were the drum and the lyre. Toys of birds, animals, figurines, carts, and whistles made. Then we'll discuss decline of the Harpan civilization. The Harpan civilization declined sometimes around 1800 BC. There was shrinkage in the Harpan civilization. For instance, Mohenjo-daro, one of the major civilizations, earlier flourished on about 85 hectares of land, but later on got confined to just 3 hectares. Reason, population from the Harpan started moving to the nearby and outer cities and places Upper Doab, Haryana, etc. But what leads to the decline of the Harpan civilization is still a mystery. Definite reason that led to the decline of the Indus Valley civilization is not known, as no reliable resources of that period is available at present. Every conclusion regarding the decline is based upon speculations of historians. Though the reason of the decline is not known, but through excavations it is clear that fall of the Harpan civilization occurred between 1800 BC to 1700 BC. Some of the likely causes of the decline are: first, flood and earthquake. Owing to this conflict, the theory of a huge climatic change or natural disaster gained credibility. It has been found out that around 2000 BC, some major climatic changes started occurring in the Indus Valley. These changes had led to floods and cities. Historians have found evidence to prove this theory as well. More Harpan civilization have been found in a condition as if these had been first abandoned and rebuilt. Cities, for instance, were initially built with great care, but reconstruction of the same was done with broken bricks, and no attention was paid to the proper sewage system during reconstruction. Proper sewage system was one of the major characteristics of the Indus Valley civilization. Then there was a fall of average rainfall in the cities, leading to the formation of desert-like, to the decline in agriculture on which most of the trade was dependent. Owing to this, people of the Indus Valley started shifting to some other location, leading to decline in the entire civilization. So, earthquake, natural calamity, it is believed that due to some earthquake and the Indus Valley civilization declined. Next, increased aridity. According to the renowned historians D.P. Agrawal and Sood, the Harpan civilization declined of increasing aridity in the area and the drying up of the river Gagar. Satluj and Yamuna used to be the tributaries of the river Gagar, and because of some tectonic disturbances, the Satluj stream was captured by the Indus River and Yamuna shifted east to join Ganges. Gagar waterless. So, the ecological disturbance caused by the increased aridity and shift in the drainage pattern led to the decline of the Harappan civilization. Then, deforestation. Since Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age culture, enormous quantities of wood was needed to produce bronze. Wood was also needed to produce jewelry, to bake bricks, pottery, stoneware, and to make boards and furniture. This is leading to climatic change in the region. Then, attack of the Aryans. It is commonly believed that the Aryans were the next settlers. They were skilled fighters, so their attack might have led to the destruction of the Harappan civilization. Even the epics of the Aryans mentioned about their victories over the great cities. The human remains found during excavation of Indus Valley point towards some violent cause of their death. Now, many historians who do not believe this theory say that the Aryans might not be involved in any such attack. Then, heritages. The decline of the physical aspects of the Harappan civilization did not lead to the total disappearance of all the traits of the civilization. Many of its features were found in later cultural development. So, the Harappan way of making back pottery, bricks, beads, jewelry, textiles, etc., was adopted by the later civilization. One of the most remarkable achievements of the Harappan people was the cultivation of cotton, which was adopted by the Egyptians after where the worship of Pasupati Shiva, the female deity, as mother goddess, sacred trees, animals, serpents, religious symbols, etc., which were prevalent during the Harappan period. Some of them to this day. So, this chapter completed.